Hey guys, so this weekend is the McKinney Art Studio Tour where local artists open up their shops and their spaces to the public, and so we're gonna check some of them out. Here we go.
Stageworthy Arts is a theatrical design studio that makes both large and small scale puppets for the theater community or anyone that's doing a stage production and needs some sort of visual art for their performing arts. So if they need puppets or a growing Pinocchio nose or that kind of thing, that would be me.
All right, next up is the McKinney Art Studio.
Well, we opened the studio about 4 years ago. It was a group effort. There were lots of potters that were interested in having a place that they could call their home. And so we developed this, and we sell in the gallery and we produce in the studio part. As you can see, we've got lots of students making all sorts of stuff, lots of talent here. So pretty proud of who's here and what they're making.
So next up is the Cove.
The Cove, we're a co-op. We have memberships. The members hang around on the outside walls. Every week we have a different featured artist. You can find us at thecovemckinney.com. The art in McKinney and here at the Cove, it represents the diversity of the different styles that are happening in McKinney.
So that is a brief tour of some of the studio spaces here in the city of McKinney. If you've never been to any one of these studio spaces, then I highly recommend you checking it out. I'll make sure the links will be in the description below. But I'm out of here. I'll see you guys in the next video.